absurdly amazing.
Wow.
What? Hi, I'm Chamil from Thailand, and I'm currently studying at APU as a multimedia student. Uh, from my experience working at Interexcel as an intern, I would say that there's a lot of challenge that I faced during the work time. However, from those challenges that I faced, I managed to learn a lot of things. I managed to grow as a person, not just career-wise, but in general, I mean, in life. In this experience, I would say that it's a unique experience that other workplace couldn't offer me. But Interexcel have guided me through this amazing opportunity, which I would like to thank for it, and I truly appreciate it. I would say that at Interexcel, I have had a lot of opportunities that I can explore the solution to the problem by myself. But most of the time that I feel stuck and I couldn't find a solution, my colleagues or my supervisors, such as Madam Chong, Miss Haley, Sir Hilary, Mr. Ruslan, or other senior colleagues will always be there to help me out. And I feel really grateful for this and also appreciate the support that they have guided me through. I would say my most memorable experience during this internship is every single experience, because I feel like it's not just a specific moment, but rather it's the people that I have been working with in this academy, in this company. They all make me feel like every moment is special and memorable. I would describe this experience as 10 out of 10. For international students, I would say that if you guys are looking for the place for intern, this Interexcel is one of the great place to intern in, as over here we have many different people from many different backgrounds and cultures. So if you would like to explore yourself to a bigger world, expand your horizon, this is a great place to consider. So that's why Interexcel is a great place to consider. And that is all for me. Thank you. Happy learning.